Hello children, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm dealing with 10th class maths progressions, and in this how to determine nth term. What is the formula of nth term of GP and certain problems basing on this nth term. So let us see the geometric progressions. So in this first term we are writing it as A. And what is the second term? Second term we are writing A into R, where R is a common ratio. So you are writing A into R. Then what is the third term you are writing? Third term is second term, that is A2 into R. That is A2 is AR into R, that is AR square. Now fourth term, how are you writing? Third term into R. So what is the third term? AR square into R, that is AR cube. Now when you write fifth term, how are you writing? Fourth term into R. Fourth term is AR cube into R, AR to the power of 4. Therefore, what are you getting? GP. GP is AR, AR square, AR cube, AR to the power of 4. It goes on like this. A GP goes on like this. So here, if you carefully observe, you see children here, first term there is no R. Second term 1 R is there. Third term 2. Fourth term 3. Fifth term 4. So here you can write here third term means what is this 2? Third term minus 1. You are getting 2. Fourth term, how did you get this? Fourth, 4 minus 1. And fifth term, 4 you are getting by taking 5 minus 1. That means whatever is the term number, that minus 1 is the progression, that formula for that particular term. So when you are talking about nth term, see, fifth term means 5 minus 1, fourth term means 4 minus 1. So nth term can be written as A into R to the power of n minus 1. So this is the formula that has to be used to find out nth term of GP, children. So let me explain this introduction once again. First term we will consider as A. Second term means first term into R, that is AR. Third term if you take second term into R. Second term is AR into R, that is AR square you are getting. Fourth term if you take third term into common ratio. Third term is what? AR square into one more R, that is AR cube. And fifth term is fourth term into R. That is fourth term is AR cube into R, AR to the power of 4. So in this case, the general GP is AR square, AR cube, AR to the power of 4, so on it goes. So when you observe this, what we have written, a property we are getting, children. So let me explain you with the third term. So third term, we have got AR square. How did you get this 3? This is 3 minus 1 is 3. What is this 3? This is third term. Similarly, fourth term cube we got 4 minus 1. 4 is fourth term. Similarly, fifth term a r to the power of 4, 5 minus 1, where 5 is fifth term. So in this case, if you want to find out nth term, same procedure we have to follow. That is A, we will be writing R to the power of, see, 5 means 5 minus 1, 4 means 4 minus 1, so n means n minus 1. So a into r to the power of n minus 1 is the formula that you have to use to find out nth term of GP. Please note it down, children. We'll go to the next part. Now, example 20, children. Find 20th term and nth term of GP 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8, so on. So, in this case, A is 5 by 2. Now, we don't know R. Let us find out R. R is A2, that is 5 by 4 by 5 by 2. This can be written as 5 by 4 into 2 by 5, reciprocal of it. 5 and 5 will get cancelled, 2 1 that 2 2 there. So common ratio is 1 by 2. So we want A20. A20 means A into r to the power of 20 minus 1. Already I have explained you this, children. That is A into r to the power of 19. A is what, children? 5 by 2 into r is 1 by 2 whole to the power of 19. This means 5 by 2 into 5 by 2 into 1 by 2 to the power of 19, because the power goes for both. This can be written as 5 by 2 into 2 to the power of 19. So this means 5 by 2 to the power of c. When bases are same and multiplied, power should be added. That is 1 plus 19. That is how much? 5 by 2 to the power of 20. Therefore, A20 formula is 5 by 2 to the power of 20. This is one answer, children. 20th term they are asking. Next, nth term. So what is an? An is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1 is the formula. A is 5 by 2 into r. R is 1 by 2 whole to the power of n minus 1. That means 5 by 2 into 1 by 2 to the power of n minus 1. That is 5 by 2 into 2 to the power of n minus 1. That means 5 by 2 into bases are same, power should be added, 1 plus n minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. So nth term, an should be here. An is equal to 5 by, how much these two have cancelled? 2 to the power of n. Therefore, A20 is equal to 5 by 2 to the power of 20. An is equal to 5 by 2 to the power of n. These two are the answers for this problem, children. Please note it down. Once again, I'll explain to you here. This is, they have given GP 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8, so on. They are asking 20th term and nth term. So, in this, A is 5 by 2, R is second term by first term, 5 by 4 by 5 by 2, 5 by 4 into 2 by 5. 5 and 5 will get cancelled, 2 1 the 2 2 that, so 1 by 2 we have got. We want a 20th term. 20th term is A into r to the power of 20 minus 1. Already I have explained you in the earlier case. So, A into r to the power of 19. R to the power of A is 5 by 2 into 1 by 2 whole to the power of 19. That means 5 by 2 into 1 by 2 to the power of 19. That means 5 by 2 into 2 to the power of 19. That means what? 5 by, see, bases are same and multiplied, power should be added, 1 plus 19. That is 5 by 20. So A20 is 5 by 20. Now An. An is A into r to the power of n minus 1. A is 5 by 2 into 1 by 2 to the power of n minus 1. That is 1 by 2 into 1 by, this power will go for 2, no? 2 to the power of n minus 1. That is 5 by, see, bases are same, 2 into 2 to the power of n minus 1. I wrote first, then 5 by 2 to the power of, when bases are same, power should be added, 1 power, there is no power means it is 1, no children. So 1 plus n minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. We are getting 5 by 2 to the power of n. So an is 5 by 2 to the power of n. A20 is 5 by 2 to the power of 20. These are the answers for this bit, children. Please note it down. Now, 21st term, which term of GP 2, 2 root 2, 4, so on is 128. So here A value is given as 2. R is 2 root 2 by 2. This will get cancelled. So R is root 2. So let us suppose that AN is 128. What is AN formula? A into R to the power of n minus 1 is 128. 2 into root 2 to the power of n minus 1 is 128. So, what is root 2 into 2 to the power of n minus 1? 128 by 2. 2 6 are 2 4s are. So, root 2 whole to the power of n minus 1 is equal to 64 we got. Now, this means what, children? Root 2 means what? Root 2 means 2 to the power of 1 by 2 whole to the power of n minus 1. 2 to the power of 1 by 2 whole to the power of n minus 1 is 64. That is 2 to the power of 1 by 2 into n minus 1 is equal to 64. This you know, a to the power of m whole to the power of n is a to the power of mn. That means 2 to the power of n by n minus 1 by 2 I can take is equal to 64. That means, see here, this 64 let us make in terms of base 2. 64, 2 3s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 6 are, 2 8s are, 2 4s are, 2 2s are. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 2 to the power of n by 2, n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 6. So that means bases are same, so powers are equal. N minus 1 by 2 is equal to 6. That means n minus 1 is equal to 2 into 6, that is 12. N is equal to 12 plus 1, that is 13. Therefore, a to the power a 13, that is 13th term is 128. This is the answer, children. So let us go for this once again. Which term of GP 2 root 2 4 so on is 128. So there is 128 in the sequence. Which term it is? So take A as 2. R is 2 root 2 by 2, that is root 2. AN is 128. Let us suppose that nth term is 128. Nth term formula A into R to the power of n minus 1 is 128. Here A is 2. 2 into R is root 2 to the power of n minus 1 is 128. So root 2 to the power of n minus 1 is 128. Multiplication becomes division. So 64 we are getting. Root 2 to the power of n minus 1 is 64. Root 2 means what? 2 to the power of 1 by 2. Whole to the power of n minus 1 is 64. That means 2 to the power of half into n minus 1, because a to the power of m whole to the power of n is a to the power of mn. So 2 to the power of half into n minus 1 is 64. That means 2 to the power of n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 64. Prime factorization I have done, so that I can make it as base 2. So 2 to the power of 6 I have got. Bases are same and equal, powers are also equal. So n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 6. N minus 1 is 12. N is equal to 12 plus 1, that is 13. So 13th term is 128 for the given GP. Please note it down, children. Now the next one is example 22. In a GP, third term is 24 and sixth term is 192. Find 10th term. That is A3 is 24. A3 means what, children? A into R to the R square. R to the power of n minus 3 minus 1 is 2 is equal to 24. So this can be considered as first equation. And then sixth term, A6 is 192. That means a r to the power of 5 is 192. This is second term. Now, since it has got common ratio and a, we need to find out. Nothing is given. They are asking to find out 10th term. 10th term means we need what is a, what is r. So, first what you do is second equation divided by the first equation. That is a r to the power of 5 by a r square is equal to 192 by 24. A and A will get cancelled. That means r to the power of 5 minus 2, powers are same and divided, bases are same and divided, powers should be subtracted. This is equal to, see, 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 nines are, 18, 2 6 are. Again, 12 eights are 96. So you are getting r to the power of 5 minus 2 is 18. R to the power of 5 minus 2 is r cube is equal to r to the power of 5 minus 2 is 8. Sorry children, it is 8. R cube is 8. R cube is 8 means r cube can be written as 8 as a 2 cube. 8 can be written as a 2 cube. Therefore, bases are, say, see here, powers are equal. When powers are equal, bases will be equal. R value, you have got it as 2. So, when you get R value as 2, you can substitute that R value in any one of the equation. So, I'll take first equation. AR square is 24. So, A into R is 2. 2 square is 24. That is A into 4 is 24. A is equal to 24 by 4. 4 6 are 24. So A is equal to 6. I have got A value as a 6 and R value as a 2. So A 10, 10th term is equal to A into R to the power of 9. That is 6 into 2 to the power of 10 you will be getting. As 6 into, sorry, 2 to the power of 9. 6 into 2 to the power of 9. So, what is this children? 2 to the power of 9. Let us multiply 2 5 times. If you multiply 2 to the power of 5 is 2 to the power of 6, you can say 2 to the power of 6 is 64. So 64 into 2, 2 4s are 2 6 are 2 to the power of 7 it is. Then this if you multiply by 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 to the 4 1 5, 2 1s are 2. This is 2 to the power of 8. Then multiply by 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 5s are 10, 1 11, 2 2s are 4 1 5. So this is 2 to the power of 9 is 512. So 6 into 512. So 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6 1 7, 6 5s are 30. So 10th term is equal to 3072 is the answer for this problem children. So please listen to it once again. They have given third term 24, sixth term 192, 10th term you have to find out. A3 is 24. That means AR square is 24. A6 is 192. That means AR to the power of 5 is 192. So we need A as well as R. So take second equation divided by first equation. In AP we have subtracted children. In GP we have to divide. So a to the power a r to the power of 5 by a r square, a and a will get cancelled, and here 192 by 24. So here bases are same and divided, power should be subtracted, and here when you simplify it I got 8. So r to the power of 5 minus 2 is 8. That means 5 minus 2 is 3, r cube is 8. That means 8 can be written as a 2 cube. When powers are equal, bases will be equal. So r is equal to 2 we have got. Now r I have substituted here. A r square is 24. A into 2 square is 24. A into 4 is 24. A is 24 by 4. That is 6 I got. Now the question is you have to find out 10th term. So A10 is A r to the power of 9. A is 6 into 2 to the power of 9. 6 into what is the value of 2 to the power of 9? So we know pretty well 2 to the power of 6 is 64. So up to that we need not do. And if you multiply by another 2, we will get 2 to the power of 7 value. Multiply by another 2, we will get 2 to the power of 8 value. Multiply by another 2, we will be getting 2 to the power of 9 value. So 2 to the power of 9 is 512. So 6 into 512 is 3072. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please note it down. Now, exercise 6.5, children. In this first one, for each geometric progression, find r and a to the power a and nth term. So these are all progressions that they have given. You have to find out r and nth term. So here in the first one, a is 3, r is nothing but 3 by 2 by 3. That is 3 by 2 into 1 by 3. These two will get cancelled. You are getting 1 by 2. Therefore, r is equal to 1 by 2 we have got. This is one answer. Next, nth term. an is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. A is 3 into 1 by 2 whole to the power of n minus 1. That is 3 into 1 by 2 to the power of n minus 1. That is 3 by 2 to the power of n minus 1. So, r is equal to 1 by 2. an is equal to 3 by 2 to the power of n minus 1. These two are the answers for this problem, children. Now, second bit also I will do. For the second bit, a is equal to 2, r is equal to minus 6 by 2, that is minus 3. So, nth term, an is equal to ar to the power of n minus 1. That is 2 into r is minus 3 whole to the power of n minus 1. So, here you cannot simplify it further because the power is n minus 1. So, we can write it as r is equal to minus 3 and the nth term is 2 into minus 3 whole to the power of n minus 1. These are the answers for this problem, children. If you want even 3, in case if you want to do further, children, an is equal to 2 into minus 3 to the power of n minus 1 can be written as minus 3 to the power of n into minus 3 to the power of minus 1. That means 2 into minus 3 to the power of n by minus 3. That is minus 2 by 3 into minus 3 to the power of n. Even in this way, also you can do whichever is convenient for you. You can do it in that way, children. So let me take this problem once again. Geometric progressions, find r. They have given geometric progressions r and nth term. A is 3, r is 3 by 2 by 3. That is 3 by 2 into 1 by 3. R is A2 by A1 no. So 1 by 2 we have got. R is 1 by 2. Nth term A into R to the power of n minus 1. A is 3 into 1 by 2 whole to the power of n minus 1. That means 3 into 1 by 2. This n minus 1 can be taken as a power for 2. So 3 by 2 to the power of n minus 1. So 1 by 2 and 3 by 2 to the power of n minus 1 is considered as answer for this problem, children. So here, second one A is 2, R is minus 6 by 2, that is minus 3, R value minus 3. Nth term is A into R to the power of n minus 1, that is 2 into R to the power of n minus 1, that is R is minus 3 whole to the power of n minus 1. So R is minus 3. Nth term is a into minus 3 to the power of n minus 1. You can consider this as answer, children. If you want this to be simplified further, there is another chance here, children. An is, this can be written as minus 3 to the power of n into minus 3 to the power of minus 1. So power minus 1 means it becomes a division. So 2 by minus 3 is minus 2 by 3 into minus 3 to the power of n. So whichever you wanted to, you can conclude here or you can extend here. See this children. Now third bit, minus 1, minus 3, minus 9, minus 27, so on. You need to find out r. So r is equal to, how will you get? Minus 3 by minus 1. This is a2 by a1. R means. So how much are you getting? It is equal to 3. So an is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1. A is how much? Minus 1 into r is 3 to the power of n minus 1. So this is considered as the solution, children. Therefore r is equal to 3. Nth term is minus 1 into 3 to the power of n minus 1. These two are the answers for this bit, and let us go for the fourth sum. So fourth sum, a is given as 5, r is equal to a2 by a1, that is 2 by 5. You cannot simplify it. So r is 2 by 5. A is equal to a into r to the power of n minus 1, that is 5 into 2 by 5 whole to the power of n minus 1. Therefore, r is equal to 2 by 5. Nth term is equal to 5 into 2 by 5 whole to the power of n minus 1. These two are the answers for this bit, children. So let us consider first one. A here they have given a as minus 1. First term is minus 1. So a2 by a1 is r, that is minus 3 by minus 1, that is 3. An is a r to the power of n minus 1. So a is minus 1 into 3 to the power of n minus 1. So this is nth term and this is r. R is 3. Now next one, a is 5. R is a2 by a1, that is 2 by 5. So an is a into r to the power of n minus 1. A is 5 into 2 by 5 whole to the power of n minus 1 are the answers. This is the first bit is completed, children. It is noted down. In this problem, you have to find the 10th term and nth term of GP. So here A is given as 5 and R is A2 by A1. That is 25 by 5. 5 5s are 25. R is 5. Now we need A10. A10 is A into R to the power of 9. That is 5 into R is also 5, 5 to the power of 9. That means bases are same and power should be added. 5 to the power of 1 plus 9, 5 to the power of 10. So A10 is nothing but 5 to the power of 10. Now we need to find out AN. What is AN? AN is equal to A into R to the power of n minus 1. A is 5 into, again R is also 5 to the power of n minus 1. That means 5 into means bases are same now. Power should be added. 5 to the power of here 1. Power is 1 plus n minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. 5 to the power of n. So an is equal to 5 to the power of n. So a10 is 5 to the power of 10. An is 5 to the power of n. These two are the answers for this problem, children. So let us see once again. The given GP is 5, 25, 125, so on. So A is 5, R is A2 by A1, that is 25 by 5, that is 5. A10 they are asking. A10 formula A into R to the power of 9. A into R to the power of 9 means here A is 5. They have given A as 5. So 5 into 5 to the power of 9. Bases are same and multiplied. Power should be added. So its power is 1. 1 plus 9, 5 to the power of 10 is A10. Now AN is A R to the power of n minus 1. 5 into 5 to the power of n minus 1. Bases are same, multiplied power should be added 5 to the power of 1 plus n minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled, 5 to the power of n. So an is 5 to the power of n and a10 is 5 to the power of 10 are the answers for this problem, children. Now the third one is find the indicated terms of GP. The first one, A1 is 9, R is 1 by 3. You have to find A7. So A7 is nothing but A R to the power of 6. A is 9 into R is 1 by 3 whole to the power of 6. That is 9 into 1 by 3 to the power of 6. We know 3 cube is 27. So 27 into 3. This will give you 3 to the power of 4. Okay. So 3 sevens are 21. 3 twos are 6, 7, 8. So this is 3 to the power of 4. So multiply by 3. 3 ones are 3 eights are 24. This is 3 to the power of 5. Now this if you multiply by another 3, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 twos are 6, 1, 7. This is 3 to the power of 6. So this can be written as 9 into 1 by 3 whole to the power of 6 is 9 into 1 by 3 to the power of 6. 9 into 1 by 3 to the power of 6, how much I got? 721. 9. 729. 9 ones are 9 eights are 9 ones are. So 1 by 81. Therefore, A7 is equal to 1 by 81 is the answer for this bit, children. Now, let us go to the next problem. Here, we want A6. A6 is A into R to the power of 5. That is minus 12 into 1 by 3 whole to the power of 5. That is minus 12 into 1 by 3 to the power of 5. That is minus 12 into, see children, 3 to the power of 5 I got here, 243. So 1 by 243. So 3 fours are, 3 eights are, 3 ones are. It cannot be simplified further, minus 4 by 81. So A6 is equal to minus 4 by 81 is the answer for this problem, children. These are the two bits. So once again you see here, the problem is find the indicated terms. First term A1 is, first problem A1 is 9, R is 1 by 3. You have to find out A7. A7 is A R to the power of 6. A is 9 into R is 1 by 3 whole to the power of 6. 9 into 1 by 3 to the power of 6 you are getting. 9 into 1 by 3 to the power of 6 I have multiplied here is written. 9 cube is 27. Sorry, 3 cube is 27. 3 cube is 27. If you multiply by one more 3, it becomes 3 to the power of 4. I got 85, 81. 81 if I multiply by another 3, I got the answer for 3 to the power of 5. That if I multiply by another 3, I got 729. This is the value of 3 to the power of 6. So I have divided it by 9 into 1 by 729. That is 9 ones are 9 8 is 9 ones are. So 1 by 81 is the answer for this problem. Next one, A6, you need to find out A into R to the power of 5. A is minus 12 into R is 1 by 3 whole to the power of 5. Minus 12 into 1 by 3 to the power of 5. That is minus 12 into 1 by 3 to the power of 5. Just now I have done 243. I have taken it. So 3 fours are, 3 eights are, 3 ones are. We cannot simplify further. So minus 4 by 81 is sixth term, children. Please note it down. Now fourth one, which term of GP is 2, 8, 32, so on is 512. Here A is given as 2, R is given as 8 by 2, that is 4. So we know that we consider it. Let AN is 512. What is AN? A into R to the power of n minus 1 is 512. A is 2 into R is 4 to the power of n minus 1 is 512. So, what can I do here? 4 to the power of n minus 1 is 512 by this 2 when it comes here division. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. So 4 to the power of n minus 1 is 256. That means 4 to the power of n by 4 is 256 children. N minus 1 means, so what is 4 to the power of n? 256 into, this is 2 no here into 4. 2 children. With 2 we have cancelled, 2 ones are. Okay. Now 4 to the power of n is equal to 256 into 4. So let us see, since it is 4 to the power of n, this also should be in terms of 4 only base. So let us take 256. Find out. 4 6 are 24, 4 4 are 16. 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24. 4 4s are. So 256 can be written as 4 to the power of 4 into 4. That means 4 to the power of n is 4 to the power of 4 plus 1. Bases are same and multiplied power should be added. So 4 to the power of n is 4 to the power of 5. Therefore, n is equal to 5. That means what children? This is A5 is equal to how much? 512. This is the answer for this bit children. Let me explain once again. They are asking which term of this GP is 512. A is 2, R is A2 by A1, 8 by 2, that is 4. So let us consider AN is 512. AN is A into R to the power of n minus 1 is 512. That is A into R is 4 to the power of n minus 1 is 512. So 4 to the power of n minus 1 is, I sent this 2 here, I have divided 256 I got. 4 to the power of n minus 1 can be written as 4 to the power of n by 4 because of minus 1. So it is 256. So 4 to the power of n is 256 into 4. So instead of multiplying, since this is also 4 and here the base is 4, let us convert this also in terms of base 4. So when I found 256 factorization with 4, I have understood that 4 to the power of 4 is 256. So 4 to the power of 4 into 4. That means 4 to the power of n is bases are same, power should be added. 4 to the power of 4 plus 1, that is 4 to the power of n is 4 to the power of 5, that is n is equal to 5. So fifth term is 512. Is the answer for this first bit children. So the next bit children, root 3, root 3, 3 root 3 so on is 729. So here A is root 3, R is 3 by root 3. That means root 3 into root 3 by root 3. 3 can be converted like this. These two will get cancelled. So root 3 is R. So let us suppose that AN is 729. That means A into R to the power of n minus 1 is 729. A is root 3 into R is also root 3 to the power of n minus 1 is 729. That means root 3 into, this can be written as root 3 to the power of n by root 3 because n minus 1 is there. So if you do like this is equal to 729. Root 3 will get cancelled. So what are you getting? Root 3 to the power of n is 729. Root 3 can be written as 3 to the power of 1 by 2 whole to the power of n is 729. That means 3 to the power of n by 2 is 729. So because here you have got 3 as base, let us convert this 729 also as 3 to the power of something. So let us take 729 divided by 3. 3 2s are, 3 4s are, 3 3s are. 3 8s are, 3 1s are. 3 2s are, 3 7s are. 3 9s are. 3 3s are. So 729 can be written as 3 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can write it as 3 to the power of n by 2 is 3 to the power of 6. That means n by 2 is equal to 6. Bases are same and equal. So what is n? N is 2 into 6 into 2, that is equal to 12. So we can say that A12 is equal to 729. This is the answer, children. So 12th term is 729. Once again, see, root 3, 3, 3 root 3, so on is GP. And which term is 729? A is root 3, R is 3 by root 3. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 by root 3. Root 3's will get cancelled. So R is root 3. So nth term, let us suppose that AN is 729. AN means A into R to the power of n minus 1 is 729. A is root 3 into root 3 to the power of n minus 1 is 729. So here root 3 to the power of n minus 1 can be written as root 3 to the power of n by root 3 because of this minus sign. These two root 3's will get cancelled. So root 3 to the power of n is 729. So root 3 means 3 to the power of 1 by 2 whole to the power of n is 729. That means 3 to the power of 1 by 2 into n is n by 2 is equal to 729. So because we have got 3 here in the base, let us convert 729 also with the base 3. So when I found the factorization with 3, I got 729 is 3 to the power of 6. So 3 to the power of n by 2 is 3 to the power of 6. So n by 2 is 6. N is, when it goes here multiplication, that is 12. So A12 is 729. This is the answer for this bit, children. Please note it down. Now, third bit of the same problem, children. 1 by 3, 1 by 9, 1 by 27, so on is 1 by 2187. So A is 1 by 3, R is 1 by 9 by 1 by 3. 1 by 9 into 3 by 1, that is, we are getting R as 1 by 3. So let us suppose that AN is 1 by 2187. That is A into R to the power of n minus 1 is 1 by 2187. A is 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 whole to the power of n minus 1 is 1 by 2187. So this means 1 by 3 into 1 by, this can be written as 3 to the power of n minus 1. Power can be written to the denominator. This is equal to 1 by 2187. That means 1 by 3 to the power of 1 plus n minus 1. Bases are same, power should be added. This is equal to 1 by 2187. So 1 and 1 will be cancelled. 1 by 3 to the power of 1 is 1 by 2187. That means let us consider this as 2187. We have to write in terms of 3 base because it is 3. So we will be writing it as 3 base. 1 by 3 whole to the power of n, we can write it as like this. This is equal to 1 by, see, let us see 2187. 2187. It should be done with 3. 3 sevens are, 3 twos are, 3 nines are, 3 twos are, 3 fours are, 3 threes are, 3 eights are, 3 ones are, 3 twos are, 3 sevens are, 3 nines are, 3 threes are. So 2187 can be written as 3 to the power of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 to the power of 7. So it is 1 by 3 to the power of 7. That means 1 by 3 whole to the power of n is 1 by 3 whole to the power of 7. I can write. Therefore, I got n is 7. So, A seventh term is 1 by 2187. This is the answer, children. This is the answer for this problem. And which term is seventh term? So, see, A is 1 by 3, R is 1 by 9 by 1 by 3, that is 1 by 3 I got. Now, nth term is 1 by 2187. A into r to the power of n minus 1 is 1 by 2187. A is 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 to the power of n minus 1 is 1 by 2187. That means 1 by 3 into the power, this power goes to 3, 1 by 3 to the power of n minus 1 is 1 by 2187. That is 1 by 3. Bases are same, power should be added. 1 plus n minus 1 is 1 by 2187. Plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. 1 by 3 to the power of n is 1 by 2187. 1 by 3 to the power of n can be written as 1 by 3 whole to the power of n is equal to 1 by, see, 2187, when I found factors of 3, I got 3 to the power of 7. That means 1 by 3 whole to the power of n is 1 by 3 whole to the power of 7. So n is equal to 7. So seventh term is 2187. This is the last bit of this fourth problem, children. Note it down. So I am going to conclude my part today. In the next class, I will be doing the next part.